Hello, welcome. Make sure you go to the Jackmasters website. How to build a DTF gang sheet. Go under Custom DTF Transfers. Click Upload your design here. Before choosing your sheet size, make sure to sign up so you can resubmit previous orders. After signing up, you can then choose a sheet size. From there, upload the file you are wanting printed. Make sure it has a transparent background, 300 dpi, and is a PNG file. After your image is uploaded, then you can change the size of the image. If you are needing more than one image, go to Autofill and then click Duplicate. Make sure your images aren't overlapping. If they are overlapping, then a red box will pop up around them. If you are needing more than one gang sheet, now is the time to add it. You will click the plus button. You can change the background color if you need to. Make sure you confirm your design. Make sure to use the same name for the upload and the order. The next step will be to redirect you back to the website, and then you will pay for the sheet size you uploaded. Thank you for choosing Jackmasters.